Hey, welcome to Neversink Farm. I'm in the shop. I wanted to show you how to make a wire weeder at home. The key is getting nice hard wire. Wire that when you put it in a shape, it stays there and isn't really floppy. If you have wiggle wire around, that's good because that's high carbon wire. It's stainless, so it may be softer than a non-stainless wire. You just have to try it out and see what different wires you have around. You want to put it in a triangle shape. That's your classic shape. Pretty much all wire weeders are like that. And all you need is a stick. I have a mop handle here. It really doesn't matter what you have. And then you just a pipe clamp, okay? And then you just put it, the wire hoe, the wire part, right along the side, the pipe clamp on it. Okay, it's gonna twist a little bit. All right, so it's gonna twist a little bit like this just because, you know, it's clamped. Just try to get it as tight as you can. Okay, so that's it. Okay, that's the whole thing, you see? Nice and easy to make. You can make them at home. You know, a problem with the homemade one is gonna be your wire, right? It's very easy to attach. Pipe clamp, I see people use tape on it. I've seen all kinds of different attachments. The most common is a bolt. Using a bolt, you can drill a bolt into there and then screw it down. That's gonna work fine, just a bolt and a nut. You can attach the nut to this, and then you just use the bolt to clamp it down. And then, you know, just like instead of a cross bolt here, because pretty much every wire hoe has a bolt, then you can just unloosen the bolt and you can put different wire heads in it. But you have to bring a tool with you into the field. It's kind of the difference between like the Mutineer, which is the Neversink Farm Tools quick exchange version, where it's very easy to quick exchange. It's got the right wire. You know, it's the absolute perfect wire for wire weeders. It's got the right carbon in it so that it stays stiff enough for working with. And you know, you've got collinears, you've got a weed hook, you've got torsion weeders, all of that. But you want to just try it, or you have a garden at home and you feel like you just want one size. I mean, this is a perfect option, right? I mean, this stick's a little short for me, but we can go try it and see how it does. You know, I think it feels pretty firm. All right, so yeah, it works fine. I mean, it bends a little bit, but that's because it's not the perfect wire, but it still works, right? I'm still getting weeds. You know, give it a try. You know, I'm obviously spoiled because I use the Mutineer, but I think that's a perfectly acceptable cultivation tool, especially for the home gardener. Easy to make. Even if the wire is not perfect, you can just make a new one, replace it, right? What's the big deal? So definitely give it a try and see how it works in your garden, and enjoy. Until next time.